Cloves are aromatic spices derived from the flower buds of the clove tree, which is native to Indonesia. They have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties and as a flavoring agent in cooking. Here are some ways you can use cloves for their potential health benefits. Toothache relief. Cloves have natural pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties that make them a popular remedy for toothache. You can apply clove oil directly to the affected tooth or chew on a whole clove to release its oil. Digestive aid. Cloves can help stimulate digestion and relieve digestive problems such as bloating, gas, and nausea. You can brew clove tea by steeping 1 to 2 cloves in a cup of hot water for 10 minutes and drinking it after meals. Respiratory support. Cloves have expectorant properties that can help relieve respiratory problems such as coughs and bronchitis. You can add clove oil to a diffuser or inhale the steam from boiling clove water to help clear your airways. Anti-inflammatory. Cloves contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. You can add cloves to your diet by using them in cooking or by taking clove supplements. Immune booster. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and have immune-boosting properties that may help protect against infections and disease. You can add cloves to your diet by using them in cooking or by taking clove supplements. It's important to note that cloves should be used in moderation as they can have side effects in large amounts. Pregnant women and people with bleeding disorders should also avoid using cloves. If you are unsure about using cloves for your health, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional.